Jessa sat in her small apartment, wearing a hoodie, glasses, and no makeup. She looked like a normal girl tonight. No lights, no cameras, no noise. Just one thing on her screen, a dating app. She typed a name that was not her real name. She typed Leah. Jessa was a famous actress. Everyone knew her face. Everyone knew her smile. But tonight, she wanted to talk to someone who did not know her as the actress. She wanted someone to talk to her like a normal person. Just a few minutes later, she got a message. Daniel says, "Hi. I like your profile. You seem kind." Jessa smiled. Daniel looked simple and friendly. He was a regular guy with a warm smile. Jessa says, "Hi. Nice to meet you." Daniel says, "What do you do?" Jessa thought carefully. She could not say, "I make movies." So she typed slowly. Jessa says, "I work with stories." Daniel says, "Oh. Cool. I love stories. I watch many movies. Especially movies with my favorite actress." Jessa froze. Here it comes. Jessa says, "Oh? Who is your favorite actress?" Daniel says, "Her name is Jessa Santos. She is very talented. And she is very funny. I think she is amazing." Jessa's eyes widened. He was a fan. A big fan. But he seemed nice, so she continued the chat. Jessa says, "She sounds great." Daniel says, "She is. She always plays strong girls. And she helps me relax after a long day." Jessa felt her face grow warm. She almost forgot she was talking about herself. They talked for 1 hour. Then 2. Then 3. It was easy, light, and fun. Daniel told stories about his day, his work at the small coffee shop, and his funny cat who attacked socks. Jessa told stories too, but she changed many details. She talked about simple days, cooking, and walking in the park. For the first time in a long time, she felt normal. The next day, they talked again. Then the next day. And the next. Daniel soon typed a message. Daniel says, "I hope we can meet one day. I want to see your smile in person." Jessa felt her heart jump. She wanted the same. But she was scared. What if he got angry? What if he only liked the actress, not the real Jessa? Still, she typed, Jessa says, "Yes. Let's meet." They chose a small park near Daniel's workplace. Jessa wore a hat and big sunglasses. Her heart beat fast as she walked toward the benches. Daniel stood under a tree. He looked nervous too. Daniel says, "Leah? Is that you?" Jessa says, "Yes. Hi." Daniel smiled softly. Daniel says, "You look different from your photos." Jessa laughed nervously. Jessa says, "Aw. Bad lighting." Daniel chuckled. Daniel says, "It's okay. You're still nice." They walked around the park together. They talked the same way they talked online, simple, easy, warm. Daniel told her a funny story about a customer who ordered hot iced coffee. Jessa laughed so hard she had to stop walking. Then Daniel said something that hit her heart. Daniel says, "You know. You talk a little like Jessa Santos." Jessa froze. Jessa says, "Oh? Really?" Daniel says, "Yes. Not exactly. The way you joke. The way you smile. Sorry. I don't mean to compare you to her. I just admire her a lot." Jessa looked away, unsure of what to do. Her hands felt cold. But she knew she could not hide forever. She took a deep breath. Then she slowly took off her sunglasses. Daniel's eyes widened. He blinked. Then blinked again. His mouth opened a little, but no sound came out. Jessa says, "Yes. It's me." Daniel stepped back, shocked. Daniel says, "You." Jessa nodded carefully. Daniel says, "But you said your name was Leah." Jessa says, "I didn't want someone to like me because I am famous. I just wanted someone to talk to me like a normal person." Daniel stood there, silent, confused, amazed. Jessa waited, scared. Then Daniel slowly smiled. Daniel says, "Well, this is a surprise. A big surprise." Jessa says, "I'm sorry. I should have told you. But I was afraid." Daniel took a breath. Daniel says, "So, the girl I talked to every night. The girl who laughed at my silly cat stories. The girl who liked my jokes. She is real. She's you. Right?" Jessa nodded again. Daniel's smile grew. Daniel says, "Then I'm okay with it." Jessa's eyes widened. Jessa says, "You are?" Daniel says, "Yes. You are still the same person I talked to. Famous or not. I like you." Jessa finally relaxed. Her shoulders softened. Her smile returned, her real smile. Jessa says, "Thank you. That means a lot." Daniel laughed softly. Daniel says, "This is crazy. My friends will not believe me." Jessa says, "You can't tell them." Daniel says, "I know. I know. But wow. I went on a date with my favorite actress." Jessa says, "And I went on a date with someone who treats me like a normal person." They walked again, this time closer. Daniel whispered. Daniel says, "So, second date?" Jessa smiled. Jessa says, "Yes. But next time, I choose the place. Somewhere quiet. Somewhere normal." Daniel nodded. Daniel says, "Normal sounds nice." They kept walking, talking, laughing, just a girl and a guy, finally comfortable. And somewhere in the distance, Daniel's phone buzzed with a message from his cat camera. Daniel looked at Jessa. Daniel says, "Want to see my cat? He is attacking a sock again." Jessa smiled brightly. Jessa says, "I would love to."